will go on. You're welcome. Hey, you got the first. Proud of you, man. It's not an easy feat with Indy around. Ah, he swiped it. Impressive. Impressive speed off the bed. Son of a bitch. Hey, did you know that Netflix is raising their prices? Surprised? Fucking assholes, man. You're spam clicking it. It's a hot ticket item. You know, I'm gonna make that thing cost 20,000 points. 20,000 dormits. Just to see who can get there. Ooh, first on YouTube. I think you're right. Other than myself. Oh no, even myself. You beat me. Impressive, Dak dude. You're here, and nothing I fear. That would, yeah, if I raised the price a lot, that would at least make sure that other people could do it, because you wouldn't have enough every day. But where's the fun in that? I like the race. Arizona iced tea. It is impervious to inflation. It's not easy, but they maintain the supply chain themselves, so they're able to do that. Uh-oh. Well, maybe somebody will gift you. I was just on Dead Slaps earlier, watching him play a game. And he gifted me a sub because ads were happening. Thought that was very nice of him. Indy. Hey. Sorry, I just screamed into the mic. Hey, how? I have a survey to take with all of you guys. What page are you on? All of you on Orbem. I'm very interested. We'll see who's actually trying. Oh, yeah, let me do that. Fucking category. I wish fucking the stream service would do that itself. I don't know why it doesn't do it automatically. It's so stupid. Like, it's chosen for YouTube, but it's not chosen for this shit. I'm gonna snooze ads. Why not? Because I saw the button. Category, yes. Game development. Oh man, we're getting so close to like having an actual game. This is getting very exciting. Page 34? Alright, I like it. No, that's great. Yeah, I sneezed ads. Ad. In your face. Though if you've been watching this stream for a long time, you know, playing it's basically like playing exactly what you've been watching the entire time. Page 20? Nice. Ah, got it. I am thirsty. Shit. Oh good, I'm still connected. Wait, there's a better chord. Oh, shit. Funny thing about that is I am out. My sword is empty. So I'm going to have to go grab some cheap shit. Nonetheless, there's nothing we can do about it. You know what time it is. Cheers, everybody. Happy Friday's Eve. Hey, that's pretty exciting, huh? Good old Friday the 7th tomorrow. It's okay. It's Red Label with an extra splash of water. Ooh. Hey, Z Corp Alpha. Trump 2028 free pet food. Free pet food? I'm into it. Trump 2028. I think he's going to 2029, right? Free pet food. That's funny. What? What was I doing? I have a hood on my shirt. Okay. So, we all saw the video today. We're all super excited. I don't know who locked up the pet food. We're all super excited. And we all know what it looks like. But let's see it again in person. So I made the video object fit cover. So no matter what size screen you're looking at, check it out. It will take up the entire size of the screen. You see? Responsive. No, there's not going to be any lag. I already finished my Premiere Pro stuff. Yeah. Get out of here. So yeah, we won't have to worry about that. And skip button works, which you can't see. I also re-edited this part. It was a little bit choppy because what I ended up doing was like slowing down the middle part because I wanted it to last longer. But I didn't realize it was like fast in and then slow down and then fast out. So I made the whole thing a consistent speed. Only thing I need to do, I think, is like volume. But look at the transparency worked 100%. This opens up some exciting doors. And the song that's playing on the start screen, this is completely separate. This is separate from, it's a separate file. So I added start screen music field and the intro video field. So you can control both. Which is good. How dare you? Did you screen record my Scotch time? Okay, that's okay. As long as it has my singing in it, you can keep it. Otherwise, it's completely illegal. How many levels? What do you mean? It's gotta be endless. It's an endless game. Oh, you clipped it in Twitch and downloaded the clip? Nice. I like it. Oh, do we... Stream avatars one way. Oh yeah, sometimes after the Scotch time it resets incorrectly. Let's see if it'll start. If not, I'll have to restart it again. Yeah, let me restart it one more time. Yeah. Definitely need to, there we go. Figure out the volume. I think the start screen music is a little loud. I mean, you can control the volume in the actual file itself, I guess. I do fade it in when it goes from the video to the music. But if you just go to leave the screen, it's just full volume the whole time. And it doesn't care about this volume. It doesn't care about this. This is only for the game music. So you see it's pretty loud. I do like it though. This was actually going to be the song that I chose for Orbem when you actually go to Orbem. But I think I'm going to make a new one. I like it as the start screen. Anyways, what are we doing? We have a lot to do, I think. I was going to try adding an item to pick up to make sure that logic is bug-free right now. Obviously, there's a million things I need to do beyond building the entire game. You know, adding all the new assets, adding all the people, adding all the dialogue, that kind of stuff. But this new transparent video functionality really makes me consider what I want to do with it. Because I can add like a video in the background. You know what I mean? Looping. And I'm just wondering how performant that would be in comparison to like a giant GIF. Because I know giant GIFs are actually pretty rough. So, I am considering like, what would it look like if the entire background was a video? You know what I mean? Like the grass swaying in the background. A spider comes down on the wall. You know, like just like the little background shit that moves. Maybe curtains blowing in the wind. You know, stuff that's not interactive. And then you just put the interactive stuff on it. That's kind of how I built it, right? I mean, that's what this is. It's just a big SVG map. So, I kind of want to try putting a whole map on the background as a video. I wonder if that would work. Because right now, I have it as an image. So if I look at the map logic, let's see here. Map. Default map. So like I have this. And then, which has no opacity because this is just the collisions. And then we have, what is it called? New map or something? You Twitch broke? Look at the pic. Uh-oh. What the hell? The explosion. That's weird. Here's oh, it's default map. That's what it is. Okay, okay. Yeah, so we have default map is the one that's. Wait, no. Here we go. SVG. So this is the SVG. This is the one that you walk on, and then the background image. I thought was on default map. Am I wrong? I guess I'm wrong. Where is the background image? Is it at the bottom? Oh, here we go. Yeah, background image. Okay. And then we have the background image. Now this is put in through styling. I wonder if you could put a video as a background source. How come you don't do the starting soon thing and then you saying hello right when you start stream? Honestly, the reason I stopped doing that was because I noticed that if you were going through all my streams, not only did most of them have like the starting soon screen as the thumbnail, but it, you know, you'd have like 15 minutes sometimes. I'd start it early of just that. And so if you were trying to see what my streams are about and you wanted like to quickly just kind of see what's going on, the cold opening made a lot more sense for people to like get an idea right away and maybe even start watching it, as opposed to them being like, okay, I gotta skip. That's the one thing also when I was watching a lot of Pirate Software's streams, I was trying to watch them in succession, and I'd always have to like scrub. Okay, now he started. And sometimes he would talk. Ugh, I keep screaming, I'm sorry. Sometimes he would talk into the mic while it was still starting soon, like what I was doing sometimes. And I'd miss that conversation, so I don't know. I might bring it back sometime, but I think I'm just, if I have the chance to just start into it, usually I would do that because I needed some time to like do a few things. So I don't know. If you miss it though, I'll bring it back for you. Alright, I'm gonna try to switch this with a video URL. So let's see if that works. Pretty sure it'll work. How do I do that without it making me select it? Let's do this. Ooh. Background URL. Oh shit. That didn't work. Wait, did it work? No. I don't think it worked. No. Repeat. Left top. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like the video's working. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I can click on it. Let me see, is that a thing? Background. CSS for video. Yeah, I think you're just gonna have to put it in the background. Yeah, as like a video source and then just style it in the background. Thought maybe you could use it like a normal thing. I mean, I could do that. That's what I'm doing with SVG. Video. Changing the format to MP4. Wait, so it did work for him? How'd that work? Oops. You want the coffee sniffer? Let's see if it still works. All right. for anybody who doesn't understand that I control the sun, I'm gonna make it daytime. If you're watching it on that stream was incredible. It was really actually hard to maintain while I was working throughout the day. But the video on loop really helped. I don't think I have that for the YouTube Shorts Live. Hold on. Do I have one of those? I don't think I do. No, I don't have a loop for the YouTube Shorts Live feed, so you're just seeing me live on the phone. Yeah, this guy's saying that it worked for him. Let me just try doing it. Explore. Let's try adding it manually. Background. Container? Oh yeah, it's a container. Right? Yeah. Let's try hard coding this in here. See if it works. No, see, it doesn't work. Does it really have to be MP4? Do I have an MP4 video? I'm pretty sure I do. Sometimes you just pop into real cam. Oh yeah, I know. And I was dressed in the same clothes, so it would actually be completely fine. It'd just be like, hey, I'm here. And suddenly my coffee would get a lot emptier. It's me. Okay, goodbye. And it restarts the loop every time. So I'm just has my face. One of these days I'm gonna get really old. And I'm just gonna put that on and be young Scott forever. Should I do another all-day stream? Honestly, it made me like no money. That was like the main reason I was doing it. I'm like, I wonder if, you know, all day people popping in and out, if it would make a significant difference in the earnings. Because it was right when I got affiliate and I was testing out some things. I don't know. I'll give it another shot. Copy URL. Let's try MP4. Maybe it really does only work with MP4. I was at 75 followers when you ended. How in the world did you get 78? It's because I went to fucking, remember the Jedum raid? And him and 2 of his followers followed me. Just because of my book. You know, I pushed my my book series. And they were super stoked on it. We'll see if any of them show up though. Oops. No. Doesn't look like MP4 works either. Okay, well this guy's lying, I think. Can you use a WebM file in background URL CSS? Come on, DeepSeek. See, it says I can. It has limitations. Okay. Yeah. No, I know. Don't fucking tell me something I already know. Okay, so I guess you can, but it won't work, so that means you can't. Stop. Okay, well whatever. Forget it. We can't do that. That's fine. That just means if If I do want to do a video background, we might have to add some fuckery to this. So here's what I'm going to do, because I just want to try this out. It would be cool. I don't know how performant it would be to have a giant video in the background. Yeah, they all followed me, I guess. Yeah. That's what I'm going to try. I'm going to try putting just the video in the background and style it. But the problem is, I was seeing if I could just use the same technology and use the background URL. But yeah, obviously that didn't work. What? Oh. That's with your dad? Nice. I like it. So yeah, let's try adding this logic here. So if true equals string search. Wait, how the fuck do you wait? JavaScript has such an easier, like a contains function than PHP. Explore. Area map. I think it's a position though, so if -1 does not equal string search dot webm, maybe? Then I want to do a video. That's not how you do string search, is it? Okay. Is it? Oh, it's like stir I pose. That's what it is. Right. And I think it outsources. What does it outsource? It outputs -1. Oh, it's just false. Okay. So I was right the first time. There we go. Then, and I guess I should check for multiple things. Oh, wait. Is needle the first? It goes haystack, then needle. Haystack and needle. And then I also want to do this. I want to... whatever. We can leave this. It won't do anything. Alright, off to bed. I'll see you, man. Catch you in the next one. Oh yeah, I can give you an update on the print we did yesterday. Remember, I started printing the grommet thing vertically, and we reprinted a little nut, which I'm going to redesign. I had this little tab here to make it easier to spin around, but the problem is if you're tightening the nut, this actually kind of compresses the nut when you're pushing on it, so it kind of sticks. But if you had another one on the other side, it goes easy. So I end up just pushing the other side. So I'm just going to add a tab here too, so they're going to be symmetrical. So I can go one way or the other way. Kind of like where your finger goes in the middle. It'll make it a lot easier. But the print yesterday, check this shit out. I know, everybody chill. The diamond print, vertically, is out of this world. Like, it's outrageously beautiful. This came out perfect. Both sides, super smooth. All sides, super smooth. I mean, there's like little weird patterns, but they just kind of add to it. Even the orb mortar came out really nice. So this is a winner. And as you can see, I'm holding this. The screw, even though it's kind of deformed up here, which I need to redesign to make it chamfered, it glued on really nicely, really strong. Like, and it has those little, you know, little nubs that are sticking in here with also glue on them. And I panicked, so I kind of like got some glue here when I started doing it, because I put it on backwards. That's why you can also see there's glue in the middle here. But yeah, because I wanted to put it on as if orb mortar is in the front. Like that would be the front. And this is the front where your wire's going. Anyways, perfect. Perfect redesign. The nut works really well. You know, the more you play with it, the more it kind of loosens up and is really fun. And if I had the tab on the other side, this will be good. If I had the chamfer, this will be really good. And I am actually completely fine with the connection point. It looks clean. It looks like it's supposed to be connected there, as long as I put the glue in the right spot. I am going to get some PLA glue, the gloop stuff. Super glue's fine for now, but that will just be even stronger of a joint. And I won't worry about anybody being like, oh, it came with the screw ripped off or whatever. So I am another successful product. What I did notice though is that this is not necessary anymore if I print it vertically, because the whole point of doing it was to smooth out, or it's because I couldn't get a smooth print when it was printing horizontally. But I like it, and I think it just kind of works with the all the other products, so I'm keeping it. And it adds a little bit of texture, you know, for whatever you put in there. I mean, because I got rid of these outside rims, so it's nice to have a little groove in case, like, I don't know, you have a pen in there, and it makes the rolling just a little harder, you know. Or a ball, it'll sit in one of the grooves. Yeah. There's an update there. So let's see if we can get this video going. Source equals this. I'm going to see attributes. Oh, fuck you. Auto play loop. Okay. Let's see if that works. We'll obviously need to style this. We'll see if I can add some hard-coded styles right now. Position, fixed. I don't really know what the background image. I mean, what z-index I'm gonna need to put it at. We'll play around with that, but for now I'll put z-index 1. Width 100%, height 100%, top 0. Oh yeah, this is a background. So I need to do cover. Maybe we'll Yeah, this can't be fixed. This has to be absolute. Because it depends on the container. That's how the maps work. So do contain. Okay, that'll work. That'll work. Top, left, and then I think that's it. Should be it. And then, yeah, let's try it out. So now what I can do is go ahead and go into the map of Foresight. And then we'll add this as the background. Map SVG. I forget if the fucking... Yeah, I think... Oh wait, is this... I forget which is which. I think this is the pretty one. So let me replace it with this. Shoot, does it have to be an image? MP4. Uh-oh. Images. Does it have to be an image? Shoot, I think feature images have to be an image. Well, that puts a wrench in my plan. No, see, I can do this. Let's try it. Go. Maybe. That might not have worked. No. It did not work. So what am I getting then? Explore area map. It might have just failed. I wonder if I can allow... Can I allow... videos in images like that? String. Let's do this. I want to see. Oop, it failed. Where is my output? These are styles. That is mine output. Style, 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 link, style, style. Head, body. Page. Primary. Oh wait, container. Here we go. That's what I was looking for. False. Okay, yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, let's look at, is there a way to allow feature images to be videos? Enable videos for featured images, WordPress. A plugin? Fuck you. I don't want to use a plugin. I make plugins. In your mind? How do I code it? I guess I could look at the plugin code, but... Let's check. Uh-oh. Your theme or a plugin. I don't want to use a plugin. No. Okay, without a plugin. Here we go. Video support. What are they using? Let's see here. It's got to be a filter. It's post meta to get the URL. Oh, they're just using the post thumbnail HTML filter. That's kind of stupid. But then you have to use a new field for it. I might as well just use the field. I just want to see if it works. Okay. I'm just going to hard code it and see if it works. With the URL. You know what I mean? Might as well. You. Dum 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 dum. Because if it works, I might swap the fields. Use the feature image for the collision points, and then use the other field for this. Go. I forgot that it has sound. How do I get rid of that? Because technically it's working right now. Oh, here we go. How do I shut the fuck up? Oh my god. And it's just gonna keep looping. Okay. I need to enable controls, so I can mute the shit out of it. Anybody sick of this song yet? Oh no. But it's in the background, so I can't get to it. How do I pause you? I want to pause you. You know what? Let's just mute this tab for now. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, I could put muted, actually. You're right. I should have just done that. Let's undo the tab now. Okay, now it's muted. Thank you. You reminded me of that. Okay, so it's working. It's in the wrong spot, though. Let's see. I think it's because of the video size. So if I put this at object fit cover, that does nothing. Okay, so it's the height. The height is not working. So this is 5,000. So the width is working. The height is not. Why is the height? Oh, where is the height? Did I type that wrong? Oh, I did. My bad. I put in equals instead of a colon. All right, now it'll work. Okay. Success. We have, and I think I can walk around it too. Yeah, see, look. So I can walk around the video. Though the video's still not big enough. It's full size. I think the video itself just isn't big enough. So I'll have to create custom videos in 5,000 by 517 dimensions. Still pretty cool though. I can easily just take an SVG and import it into Premiere Pro and just add shit on top of it, which I'm tempted to do right now, but I don't want to break the stream. But I think this is a good proof of concept, because I still have the collision points. See, because of the SVG collision point map. And everything is still there and working. But you see how the transparency still works, which is why I think it's really cool to have the WebM. And it's on loop. I mean, this is cool. You can't tell me this isn't cool. And you see, I mean, with the right, especially using like SVGs and kind of adding whatever I want vector wise, this would be a pretty simple way of handling full map animation. Because what's the alternative? I add individual animated points, right? I add a little item on this side that does this. I have a little item on the wall that does this. Or like I said, I do a full background image that's a GIF. Or I do everything in SVGs and I have a bunch of SVG animation everywhere. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? How you feel? How do you feel about this solution? Is this something worth pursuing? Or should I just do normal art, add items manually, and let them kind of like add animated points when they need to be animated on the map manually? Or do we do both? Maybe we have one level that needs it to be super animated, like it's lava flowing everywhere, right? Like, how am I going to do that normally? Yeah, I don't know. It is cool walking around on the video, though. Italian? What does that mean? Like, everything still works. The menus still work. On top. I definitely nailed the, styling for this. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's worth it. I think it's worth swapping. Like, instead of this being the feature image, that this will be the actual... Yeah, instead of doing this instead will be on the styling part. Which, I think... No. It's the SVG. Where's the SVG code? Is it this? No, it's the weapon. That sounds... Oh, I should probably put the start screen music thing in the sounds, actually, now I think about it. Wait, how am I doing the SVG map? I always forget how I do everything. I think it's in here somewhere. That's explainer menus, it's magic. Is it? Oh, map SVG, right here. Right. So I'm getting the area. So what I could do is instead swap this right here with the get thumbnail. It's a neat concept, although I'd imagine for the full rollout you want to keep it simple, stupid, right? Because the more people have to go outside your engine to work on their game, the more tools they need to sort of outside it. You mean like video editing software and that kind of stuff in order to make their background? Well, that's why, again, just like the Google text-to-speech, I'm giving an option to do an alternative way of handling it. You have a default way. You put an SVG or whatever you want, an image in that field, right? And it could be just a big PNG. It could be a big SVG like I'm doing right now. It can be whatever you want. But I give you the option to do it as a video as well, right? I mean, either way, you're going to have to make your image somehow. Or your video. But yeah, I'm more wondering, like, I mean, I know it'll look cool. I know if I have the video made properly to scale, and it's not like pixely, obviously, that it'll look like a really cool background. WordPress Man 387. You searched up WordPress and you clicked on live and saw me. Yeah, what up, man? Welcome. I always appreciate somebody showing up with WordPress in their name. Speaking of WordPress, we're deciding if I want to make the map assets into a video, so I can walk around an animated background, basically. So I just kind of threw this together, which seems to be working really well, especially with WebM, because you can do transparency So, like, I don't know, you can layer things. I think I'm going to allow it. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I think all I need to do is swap these out. And I say, why not? Give us more options for the game engine. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'll give you a little run through too. I'll show you the WordPress side so you can get inspired by the nuts actions I have chosen. Okay. Oh wait, I need the idea. I mean the ID of the area, which I think I'm getting. Okay, this should be fine. Yeah, same thing. Alright, so I think just swapping these means this should turn into... Oh, did I break it? It doesn't like that. How long have you been working at? I mean, honestly, I started this game a really simple version of it, where you just kind of walk around one big image and run into areas. Like, there's no collision points or anything. I started that about 5 years ago, to be honest. But I've been working on this V2 version for months. I don't know, almost a year now, maybe. And, oh, here we go, that's why. Oh, which that means that this doesn't need this. Okay. Yeah, so, I mean, it's been slow going, but I've been working on this for a really long time. Alright, hold on. I need to... Let's swap the things now. So in Foresight... Oh yeah, it doesn't have a feature image. I'm going to set the feature image to... this. Is this the final Thyrus? I guess so. Why does it look like that, though? What happened to the black one? Oh, is it one of these? I don't know. Well, let's try this one. And then in here I have the same one, right? I thought I had the same one here. Okay, it's working now. Yeah. And now that we have the intro video working fine, when you start a new game, the skip button works. And you can go straight in. Whoops, it's red. Oh, I need to get rid of that. The video that I hard-coded in there. My bad. Where are you? Why is it red? What image did I choose? Video. Alright, so this needs to be changed into that old logic I had. Actually, let's do this. Yes, that. Let's save you. And we'll go back. And where did it go? Video. And you. And you. Yeah, so eventually this will be a plugin, is my plan. I'm going to call it like the RPG Maker plugin or whatever. So you too can create an RPG video game off your website, your WordPress website. And it's pretty extensive. I mean, you have 1,000 custom post types for weapons, enemies, magic, signs, minigames, explainer signs, like when you walk in and you want a tutorial. Which I obviously am using the wrong image here. And then 1 million custom fields I registered. Not using ACF. These are all included fields that I registered myself. I'm a WordPress programmer by trade. Been doing it about 16 years now. Used to work for Disney, Universal, Warner Brothers, Investors.com, Beachbodies, just, you know, massive enterprise level websites. So I'm used to making WordPress do something that's not supposed to. Like a game engine. But yeah, I think it's working out. So why is this? Oh shoot, I'm using the wrong map. I'm using Thyrus. That's why. I need Foresight, not Thyrus. Ah, that would explain why the... Let me just search it. Foresight. Yeah, I'm using the wrong map. Here we go. This is the one. Thank you. So now that's the collision point SVG. And this is the one that just looks good. There we go. Though I'm still using the wrong one. Why is it red? Oh, because I didn't switch the pretty one. Okay. Obviously, the SVG code coming out of the feature image is not correct, though. 250? Oh, nice, WordPress man. Hell yeah. I appreciate that. We did it. We're halfway to being monetized. Well, to hitting the monetized subscribe minimum, but you need a lot of watch hours, too. I think I'm at, like, 600 watch hours. Yeah, I hit an extra 50 pretty quickly. These live streams have been... the YouTube Shorts Live has been getting a lot of views. So I've been getting a lot of just people jumping in and subscribing based off of that. Next giveaway. Yeah, I know. I'm going to have to start staggering the giveaways if they go this quick. Though the 300 subscriber giveaway is going to be one winner. And I'll be able to do a little bit more for the one winner. But also, if you've already won, you can't win again. So, yeah, I know exactly. Yes, the financial incentive of the giveaways has no longer been a major draw. So it's more about just making people happy. But so it should be fine. I need the so this is the background image now coming from the field directly. And this function here, the map SVG function. Yeah, right here. This needs to get the URL, the file path, which I don't think is working properly. So let's check, because I'm not getting anything. Oops. I mean, I'm not getting the proper shit. I'm stuck. Show me the var dump. Okay. So this is the SVG. Okay, I think I'm just using the wrong one. Yeah, this is the one that I should be using in here now. So, and then the other one is the red one, is what I need to change this with. So, this one. There we go. Now it should be correct. I mean, technically they should have been interchangeable, but I think I did something special with this one, the red one. Wait, why isn't the music playing? That's weird. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta get rid of this. Alright. Oh, that's why. Okay. It's working. Okay, cool. Swapping the two fields actually worked fine. Fantastic. All right, this is working really well. So now I should be able to easily just go in here, grab an intro image, video, add it here, and now this is what you're going to see as the background. Cool. Yes. Great. That worked great. Although now I just lost the one that I was using. Wait, what the hell's this? Why did this change? What the nut? I don't remember. What am I doing? Where's the black one? This one. You. Okay. No. Why didn't that save? Motherfucker. Let's see off. Here's Foresight. Right here. Foresight map. Yeah, I'm on Twitch. Yeah, no, jump over to Twitch. It's a lot better streaming. You can see all my videos, my VODs and stuff on YouTube. Those are a lot better on YouTube for sure. Okay. So yeah, switching to video will be really easy. So like even for cutscenes, you know what I mean? Like in Bylon, I can have a much more active background. We can have people walking around and I don't have to code every person, you know, waiters holding food walking by or people just chatting, you know what I mean? That'll make it a lot easier for those kind of areas. And boss fights, you know, you could have cool boss fight areas with fire everywhere, you know, whatever. It opens up the door for a lot of things. Though I want to immediately make sure that this video is muted by default. I don't ever want to allow sound in the background. And I also need to check if MP4 is there. I'll give them an option for that as well. Anything else just won't really work because the video HTML tag. Okay. Oh, and I need to fix this again. Cool. Now we're good. Yes, anybody who is on YouTube, feel free to jump on Twitch. And you can even get your own floating streamer avatar floating right above my head, which is oodles of fun for you and me. Okay. Well, we just spent a whole lot of time figuring out something that I didn't think about until right now. So that's good. We were going to try to see if items worked. So let's add a quick item just to make sure. But I just realized now that all the areas are going to have backwards assets now. I think I used the same image for most of them though, so it should be okay. So let's go ahead and go to explore point, which I should probably undo. Hey, WordPress Man 387.
WordPress Man 387 just followed.
It's great. Much appreciated, my friend. We're almost at 80, which apparently is my follower goal. Oh, nice. You just created one from scratch. Hell yeah. Hey, it's that guy from YouTube. All right. Well, welcome, my friend. Great community here. Make sure to join Discord. I usually stream from... I'm Eastern time. I'm in Michigan. Hey! You know what that means. He redeemed a party. That's a party for WordPress Man. 10:30 to 12:30. I usually do a couple hours, give or take, Eastern time. Oh, it's the FaceTime. I'm using a MacBook Pro, so the FaceTime camera has like built-in, you know, gestures that you could do. So it's yeah, the one I do when I fix a bug is usually the fireworks, but sometimes it's a little temperamental. There we go. That's my I fixed a bug. So you got a few free ones there. So let's create a new item. I don't know what the item's gonna do. Maybe just give you points. We'll just make an item that gives you money, you know, points. So let's just say pick up your box. How about that? So this is gonna be box of effects. You've been thinking about getting a Mac laptop for a while now. It's worth it. Depends what you need to do with it. Mac is just easy. Honestly, you know, I used to only do PC laptops, and I would just get the biggest, fastest one I could find because I needed it. But once companies started giving me Macs, because that's most of them just give you Mac laptops, I just realized how stable they are, and I got my own finally because I wanted to be able to stream on YouTube and Twitch and YouTube Shorts live feed. So I have an M3 chip. So I got a MacBook Pro with the M3 chip, and I mean, I think I didn't spring for like the best of the best. Let's see here. I have the 36 gig memory. I got the M3 Max, and yeah, I think I have about terabyte, I think, hard drive. But they already have the M4 chip right after I bought this, unfortunately. I know my buddy actually returned his M3 and just got the M4 because he did the same thing. Yeah, but it's powerful. I mean, this is a MacBook Pro. This is, it's made to work. And I mean, I have, you know, I have all the Adobe things running. I have my FL Sun slicer here for my 3D printer running. I have tons of things running at the same time as streaming. I'm also on gigabit internet. I'm hardlined into it, so that does help. But yeah. Okay, let's see. Game Doodle has a question for Twitch. You see people who have just like static pictures rather than face cams. Does Twitch like require a face cam thingy? No. I mean, more static than even the VTubers or whatever those animated response. No, you don't need. It doesn't matter. There's tons of streamers that aren't streaming their face. Yeah, there's a lot of them that don't do that. You don't need a camera. I can have my camera off right now, you know. I'm just an empty hole. I mean, not on YouTube Shorts live feed, but. What's this do? Ooh, highlight. I like it. Highlighted message. Very nice. Yeah, I've got a handful of things in there you can use. And if you get feeling froggy, I do metal covers. We also make music here. I made all the music in my stream. Everything you're hearing in the background of my stream, I recorded all the vocals and stuff like that in various bands and stuff. I also make music for all the games too, live. I always have a keyboard right next to me. You'll see it. It's one of the options. It's, what was it? Make a metal cover? I forget what it's called. It's been a while. I had to up it. Oh, yeah. Metal cover of song of your choice. There you go. 20,000 dormants. And by the way, this whole game here is an homage to my sci-fi fantasy book series. So, The Harmonian Chronicles is a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel series that I wrote. It's available on Amazon, ebook, audiobook. paperback for both. I have 2 books out right now. It's going to be a 4-book series. So eventually I will finish it and offer box sets of all 4 of them. But yeah, so anything you see in this game is based off of the story of Orbem, the first book right now, since that's where I'm at in the storyline. You just made a Discord account a couple days ago. Nice. Yeah, join the server, my friend. There you go. Indy's got your back. Oh, and yeah, there's a lot of great channels on the Discord: 3D printing, music, web development, you know, game development. So I try to post in most of them, all the stuff that I'm doing. But yeah, if you have any questions or you want to show off something cool you're doing, hit up in Discord. We all want to see you. And it's a very good community we have going on here. A lot of very smart techie people here. And yeah, we've gotten so far in the game now, on the demo at least, that I really want to start building the game out with the game engine. But so I think we're gonna just kind of test some of the things that we already have working. Awesome. Let's see. Did you join? We'll see about that. Ooh, music. Off the bed is singing a little bit. Hold on.
Lullaby and guns, bring a friend just for to lose.
Oh, yeah.
And to pretend she's over more. It's self-assured, no one knows.
Let's go.
And dirty words, hello, hello,
Hello, hello. See, man, we got music, people coming all up in this, 3D printing everywhere. Wait, how come it doesn't say you joined? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I don't see you. Oh, we got ads. My bad. I didn't snooze it quick enough. He is right. Ads are playing right now. Oh, is he in general? Ah, there he is. Oh yeah, here we go. What up? Okay, box of effects. Let's do a quick box of effects graphic. Imagine a box of office supplies in pixel art 8-bit style. Yes, I use AI art for some of my assets right now because I don't want to make them. Oh yeah. Indy's always very willing to gift subs out. Ooh, this is pretty good. Though it's not really as pixely as I'd want. They tend to be very detailed. But I think it'll do for now. Let's just grab this one. Upscale. Save image. I meant to save it. Alright. Now let's go ahead and jump into Photoshop and take the background out real quick. I'm already in it anyway, so that's good. Womp. Remove background. AI using AI. Pretty good. Whatever, we'll just cut this off. Oops. I also used to do high volume photo retouching, so I'll be able to jump in and out in Photoshop pretty easily. Let's just export this real quick. And let's just do a PNG. That's not a big deal. Put this in game creatives. Box of stuff. Okay. And then we'll make that the feature image. And then we'll place it inside my office. That way I can collect it, I guess. A sub basically just makes it so you don't get ads, you know? So, it's like $5 a month or something like that. Or something. I don't remember. I don't know. Usually there's lots of like sub sales and that kind of stuff. I think if you are Amazon Prime member, you can sub for free. Is that right? All right, Dak dude. Thanks for jumping in, man. I'll see you probably tomorrow. Happy Friday if you're on the East Coast. And we're going to put this in Foresight, which is technically Graham's office. Not the Thyrus office, though. You can confirm? Okay. That's good. And then where is it going to be? It's going to be in here. Where's my office? My office is right here. And let's get the... We'll put it like right here. Which is... 2731, 1740. 2731, 1740. And we'll make this 50 by 50 maybe. Keep it kind of small. And this will give me 200 points. 2,000 points. No, that's too many points. 2 points. And it's cool. I also set it up so that you can unlock items when you get to a certain level. I forgot why I did that. Oh, that's for magic, I think. You were able to unlock magic. And this is a collectible. And not draggable. I don't need a trigger. It's not a minigame. Cool. I think that's it. Let's publish this. And let's go check. Is it here? And it's a collectible, but I don't think it's something I can... Oh, wait. I need to make sure... Wait. Value. Oh, point. Okay. This is a point value. Yeah, because I don't want it to collect where you can use it. Because I made items also being able to be used for health or mana. Let's see if this works. Where's the item? I don't see it. It not here. Okay. It's in Foresight. Points. Did I put the position wrong? Did I do it backwards? I do that sometimes. No, I think I did it right. Let's see. Where are all the items? Default map. Dub. These are the signs. Where's the box of stuff? There's a styling for it. Huh. Okay, there's styling for it, but the item's not showing up. That's weird. Why not? Is it because I did it for point value? Collectible? No. Did I already collect it by accident? No, I don't have any points. Let's drag this. I think I did everything you need to do. You got height, width, value. And that's all you need to do. Do I need to put something in here? I don't think so. Well, this is why we're testing out adding items. Because I really haven't... Oh, there it is. Weird. Look at that little box of items. Perfect. So now when I run into it, I should be able to collect it. And it'll just give me 200 points. First try. Good, at least that still works, kind of. Let's see. And I think I just run into collectibles. I don't think I have to, like, interact with them. Okay. Well, I was right. But no 200 points. Okay. I want to try... Yeah, see, it didn't even save. So let's see here. I wonder if I don't actually need to put value type. That might have actually messed it up, which would be good to check. No, it's just not doing anything. Okay. Good. This is why we test. Collectibles are not working right now. What do we have here? Data type is nothing. Okay, so I'm guessing that does need to be points. Let's go ahead and put that back. We have the data value, so that's how many points you're going to get. Collectibles true. Perfect. And yeah, so this should just work right off the bat. But like I said, I haven't touched collectibles in a very long time because weapons are separate than collectibles, so the katana doesn't count. So this will show up in the get points HTML or map item HTML. All right, and it's going to show up collectible. Yeah, all the HTML actually looks correct. I don't need to be in the HTML. So we're going to go into JavaScript. Let's check out collectible. Collectible. I've done a lot of things to like how points get collected and stuff, so I'm guessing that's why it's not working. Should remove on load. Yes. Okay, here we go. So for collectibles, if it's true, is it because I don't have a mission connected to it? I don't want to have a mission connected to it though. Exactly. Emojis. So this is for storing. Say, oh, this is only if it has a mission. Got it. So add item to storage menu. This is not happening, obviously. Ooh, interesting. It kind of seems like I don't have the logic in place for collecting an item just for points. Like just collecting money, you know what I mean? Or collecting gold you just see on the side of the road. I think I only tie collecting points to saving a mission. So that would explain it. Is it showing up as an item though? No. Okay, good. It's not doing that either. Let's see if it's supposed to. Data type. Okay, that's right. Because point doesn't count as a data type. I got it. Alright, so it seems like I need to add the logic to allow things to just give you points when you hit them. You want to be one of those thingies on the top of the screen? How do you do that? Very simple, actually. All you have to do is go to orbemortar.com /register, which hold on, let me go incognito. So you go to orbemortar.com /register. Register. Okay. You sign up. Your username has to be exactly the same as your Twitch username. Okay. So no capitalizations, no capital W. WordPress man 387. So once you sign up here, I'll attach an image to this is a plugin that I created. It's a Orbem chatter. It's the same thing that controls the list here. So why you can see yourself up on the website right now. Oh my god, shut up me. So you'll hey, Dead Slap's here. What? When did you sneak in? See, I need to check the list more often. Dead Slap's just lurking without telling me. Yeah, so my plugin, I allowed you to do basically this, what is it, chatters? I made a page where everybody floats around, and then I kind of just OBS it into the stream. So yeah, when you create an account, let me know. And then send me an image in Discord, and I'll use that as your avatar. I keep saying it, but eventually I will allow you to upload your own avatar on the website, but I tried to do it, and I couldn't get the avatar uploads form to work properly. It just wasn't uploading the image, so I'm gonna have to make my own. I know. Eventually, I say every time somebody wants one on there, I always say the same thing. I'm gonna fix the upload form eventually. It's so easy for me though, because it's like it's not like hundreds of people are trying to upload, you know. So it's like, yeah, I'll just do it one off for now. Yeah, let me know. I'll go ahead and upload your image for you. And then you too will be floating above my head constantly, which is a pretty cool functionality. I also always say this. It's just JavaScript, changing the style, positioning of these images, using random number for the left and right position, or the left and top position, and the random speed of the transition. So sometimes you'll go really slow, sometimes you'll go really fast. Sometimes you'll just, you know, fucking run into each other. I don't know. Though I didn't make them collidable. So it's kind of just like your little minnow fish floating around. 8 viewers? What? I only see 6. Dead slap, dead slap. Dead slap, you're gold now. You got bored of your Western zombie killing game? Okay. Let's allow collectibles to give you points. And I need to also store the item too. So... And when I say store, I mean persist. Where's that persist function? Persist item removal. This is what I need to do. I need to persist the item, which is kind of a newer function since I started adding items. Like, I made this function well after I already had item collection, so that would also explain why this doesn't work. Collectible. Okay. So it's going to go here. This won't work. If just points, store it. So let's get the type. If value.dataset.type equals point. Then let's do persist item removal. We'll do the value. What is it? Shit. There's so many items. So it's item, which is the value. Type. Amount, which is how many points. Oh, which is value. So, value dot data set dot value. Number. Oh, no, it's a number. Timeout. I don't need that. Reset. No, I don't need that either. Okay, this should work. Oh, hell yeah. Let's do it. Ooh, WordPress. No. What? What? This isn't from you. This is from Indie. You sent it in general? How come Indie sent it? Indie, did you make WordPress Man 387? Is this you? And you just screwed up and used your other Discord account? Was this you screwing up and using the wrong Discord account? Really tired of these fake accounts, man. You got caught. Well, it was fun while it lasted. Alright. Is it because you wanted me to get 250 users on YouTube? Understandable. Persist item removal. Wait, what is type supposed to be? I gotta figure out what that is. I'm guessing it's... Oh, I know what type is. Oh yeah, see, it defaults to post. I mean point. You're so dumb. You just like to create random people and make me talk more than I need to about the same stuff we've already heard. Oh, Indy. What are we gonna do with you? You totally screwed up. Alright. Persist item removal point. Perfect. Yeah, I don't need to do any of that. Okay. This should work now. So technically now, when I run into this thing, it should give me 200 points. Save it. It shouldn't come back because it's a collectible, and it should be in the list now. All right. I definitely thought that that name WordPress man was very fishy from the get-go. By the way. Especially just like WordPress Man 387. It's so generic. I'm like, maybe it's some dude. It didn't work. Alright, so now I'm thinking that... Oh, it did work. Oh, good. It worked. Son of a bitch. It just didn't trigger the add points shit. Okay, well, that's a different thing. I thought it's supposed to, though. Oh, no, this has nothing to do with points. Ah. Okay. I don't think I'm supposed to do this, then. You'll make a plan and execute it in 3 months. Okay. Add points or add user points? Yeah, add user points. Now, does this do persist? Oh, this does. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I don't even need to do this. Okay, cool. So let's do add user points instead. So same thing I just did, but let's do add user points. Add user points. He's remembering. Amount will be value. And what else? Type is point. Everything's in a different order, of course, because why would I ever think I'd need to convert it? Position? Oh, that's the value. Okay. Collectible. True. Mission name. Nothing. Alright, let's try it like this. Don't. Okay, let's restart the game and come back. Luckily, it's right at the beginning, so. And luckily, I have a skip feature for videos. Alright. Let's go collect our stuff. Which I should probably make a function now, but I mean a mission. Alright. This should trigger the points. Oh no, I'm stuck. Reading attribute. Menu item. Okay. Okay, so I have a feature where collectibles, Alright, seriously. I have a feature where I guess collectibles are considered items you store, I guess. I know. Master WordPress Rockman. Alright, I'm over you, man. I give up. Collectibles true. Remove. Okay. So this is the problem here. I feel like I should make it not. So you got rid of the numbers now, so you think it looks more real. Point. If it's greater than 100 and point is the type. 100. Make sure amount is always 100 or less, not for points. Oh, it's not points. I'm like reading my stuff background. Okay. I think all I have to do is say it's not a collectible, even though it is. Which is kind of confusing, but a collectible is something you can put in your storage menu. Whereas something that's collectible just goes away. Wait. Do I have another option than collectible? Draggable. Okay, breakable means you have to interact with it. Nah, I'll just make it collectible. Alright. But let's change it to false. It's a collectible, but it's not a collectible. We just want to store it. What? Alright. Go. I already collected it. Try again. And if this works, we're calling it a night. Because we got video backgrounds working, and now we gave you the ability to do that stuff. Oh no, corrosion's gone. You don't know, but you're in an episode of the Twilight Zone world. Honestly, Game Doodle, I questioned most people that came on here if they're indie. There's usually pretty easy tells. I mean, I was already suspecting it before he screwed up on Discord. But, yeah. There's a lot of people that come on where I'm like, that's probably indie. Hey, it worked. There we go. Woo! We got our 200 points. I mean, how come it didn't count, though? That's weird. Yeah, it didn't actually give points, though. Hold up. So, the bar updated, but the count didn't update. Pourquoi is what I say. Pourquoi. So it says add user points. Isn't there some... I know there's another function that uses this. Run point animation. This is it. I think I need to use this. I hate myself. I make my life so hard. Alright. Let's convert this to run point animation. Fuck. Okay. Run point animation. Sure. Now, what do we need for run point animation? Value. Of course we do. Which is the value, okay. Position, which is value. Don't ask questions. Is mission? False. Mission points. This is how many... Oh, I thought it was value. I don't know what that means. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, let's see if this works. Why would I have a separate thing for mission points? I get... Oh, I think it's because I'm passing... Like, a mission can give you points and the value can be something else? Hold on, what am I using value for? Oh shit, no. Okay, value is the item. Then what's position? Position is... Position... Oh, position just goes to add user points. Oh, that's right. That's right. Okay, let me switch this then. So I'm actually going to pass points. So value and then position, right? Is it the second one? Yeah, position. It just goes straight over there. So I'm going to pass value again. I think it's the name of the value though. So it's like, right? What are we using position for in add user points? Position is being used for the points. Right. I think it's the name. It's the name. So in that case, I need to do like clean class name value maybe. Maybe. This might not work. Is mission false? Let's just add mission points value dot data set dot value just in case. And then mission name doesn't have one, so we'll just do whatever. All right, this is it. I think we got it now. New game. Skip. Start. Okay. Unfortunately, it's black, so you can't see it level up. But let's see if this works. Okay, and boop. Oh, there we go. That worked. Yes, that worked. 200, and it went up to level 2. So the leveling system is still working properly. Let's refresh. If it doesn't show up again, then we're in the clear. Fuck. Okay, so persist item removal did not work. So let's refresh and see if it even got hit. First off, let's run through here. We know the points persisted. So the points did get updated. Yeah, this all worked fine. But then when it got to add user points, maybe, is when things screwed up. Position type. Position type, yeah, whatever, it's point. So this is collectible true. I wonder if it says collectible. No, I didn't get an error. Blah, blah, blah. So this all worked. The bar changed. The level changed. The points worked. But then unlockability. So this all worked. Trigger game over, whatever. Okay, here. This is when this didn't get hit, obviously. So if that's not empty, which it wasn't, I did pass it. Maybe. This was true. And it's not the mission name. Alright, so my only thing is maybe position didn't pass properly. So let's check what we're getting here, maybe. So we'll do that. We'll do value data set value. All right. Let's see if that works. Let's see what we get. All right, come on. One more time. Let's see if persist item removal actually worked as well. So we'll start the game. Let's refresh this. collect your shit. Here we go. Yeah, I think we will. He always, honestly, I rated him like twice, and the first 2 times I got a little like, this guy has too many people watching him, and he's building some really cool stuff. But like after yesterday's, not just because I got some followers, but like he's building really cool stuff. His game is super advanced. I like what he's building. Go. Okay. So this is why add explore points worked. But what are we sending? 200. Item null. Reset. I don't even know why reset would be getting passed. Type point. User ID 1. Okay. So it's the item. The item isn't getting passed. And that's why. Undefined. Clean class name didn't work. Alright, so this is just wrong. Oh, because I'm a fucking idiot. What? Why do I do this to myself? I should just check the class name. Whatever. Maybe it's better to like force myself to put class name in there. I don't know. I think it's not a good... I think I should just be passing the value, and because I'm passing the value already, I should just be grabbing the class name, right? But I guess I could pass position in separately, like where it's not the value of the class name, so maybe it's good. All right, anyways, this is gonna work now. I know for a fact. Twitch claims I can go ad-free for free and then ask me to play $12 a month. What? Okay. This is gonna work. Look at that. That was a good little animation. What's coordinates? There we go. Box of effects. It worked. Well, let's refresh. Let's not count our chickens, eh? Yay! It's gone. Persisted. Though the gold is wrong. Why is it showing 100%? What the fuck? Point is 100%. Why? That's not right. It's 200, but 100 pixels. There's some logic around the points bar based off of this number. It should not show 100. Let's check what's going on with that. And it changed on load. This is the last thing I'm gonna fix. I promise. And then we'll raid Jedum. Yeah, so we have points bar. No. Point bar right here. Point. Point. Points. Otherwise 0. Okay. So that's points. Oh yeah, the style. This is where it is. So we have the points. Point width. Otherwise it's 100. So that means that there's some fuckery between the amount, which is 200, and the width. Wait, oh, points width is separate. Oh, get current point. Okay, so let's see this logic. So basically what we're doing, and this is all based off of like if you have different types of gear on too, apparently. Yeah, that's right. Memes. Whoa, there's a lot. Why are there 16 things in the stream channel? What happened? What the fuck? How do you even use these stream channels? I don't even get it. Yeah, okay. That was weird. Good video. Final amount. Okay, so obviously this get points with has nothing to do with it. This is just for health and mana and power. Okay, that's kind of weird. I could have sworn this worked, you know, before. Which I guess it worked on in the JS it worked, but it didn't work on load. So obviously there's something looking. Whatever. We'll fix that when we get back. I'll be able to see that this is 100% even though it's not correct. But alright. Hey! Why don't we raid Jedum? Go see what he's doing. You love the art and context and subject. Hey, you should always just tell me what you want me to watch, man. I'll usually watch the videos you guys give me. Game Doodle, by the way, I responded to your the shit that you're doing for this. This is crazy. How does this work? What are you using? You said you're using Raycaster. Is that like a program for building games or something? Because I was saying, like, I totally want this kind of functionality. I just don't really get how it works. So definitely send me some sort of anything about this. It's pushing out rays to collide with 2D object. Make it, yes, yeah. You're speaking Greek to me there. I don't know what rays are. I mean, I know what ray tracing is, you know, in games, but I mean, I've heard it. I still don't know what it is, though. I know it makes things look really good, though, right? Really cool, though. Put the video in music. Oh, the video.
There's DIY.
Shut up.
And there's doing it yourself.
I don't think there's a difference, by the way. Offend? Offend who? Am I gonna get offended? No, I'm scared. I wish I could make this bigger without full screening it. Whoa, cool. I know. I'm like, no, there's not. Do it yourself. Oh, very cool. This is giving me Dragon Ball Z vibes. This was really cool. Die. Ooh. Whoa! You ate the forbidden apple, and now you're going back up to fight God as a demon. Oh, it's Jesus. Oh, you're fighting him with a hug. I like it. Sorry I would finish that video, but I already clicked the raid button, so we have 20 seconds. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching today. Game Doodle, I really like that. I'm gonna finish it up on my own time. But yeah, everyone enjoy what you have for the rest of the night, and anybody watching in the future, subscribe! Come see me! And in the last 5 seconds, I just want to say, hey, thanks. And I'll see you on Friday.
Hey, welcome back. Hello. Orbem. I think with coral and seaweed, it would be very random. I don't know. Some coral does, some coral doesn't. Like it, like take something like this for example. 2 days in a row, we did it. Hey, welcome in. Thank you very much for the raid, Orbem. Yeah, I'll give you a shout out. Make sure to drop Orbem